guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this nude and tortoiseshell nail art look. It's something that I've actually not done before, so further on in the video you will see that I try a couple of different things, experiment around until I was really happy with the result, but I will leave a bunch of timestamps everywhere so you can just skip to the parts of the video that you are interested in. So first, I'm just beginning to remove any old product on the nails. So my client currently has Light Elegance hard gel on, so this is a file off product only. So I'm using my e-file with this Coarse safety bit from Ink London to remove any product, remove any lifting, and just start preparing the nail for reapplication. So now I have finished with my e-file and I'm just going in with my hand file. This is a 180 grit file and I'm just using that to remove any lifting and also just to prep the regrowth area ready for the next step. Next I'm going in and I am just preparing the nail again, so I am just pushing back the cuticles with this sort of chiseled shaped cuticle pusher, and then I'm going to be going in with a flame bit, and I believe this one's from Ink London, but you can get really similar bits from eBay which are really inexpensive, so I'll leave them all linked down below. And I'm just going in with my file, and because I'm right-handed I have my e-file in forward and I'm just going to be working on the left side, or left from my view anyway, left side of the cuticle, and then later on you will see me switching it into reverse and then working on the right side.
But we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky, bad bitches do we die.
For this look, my client wanted to have a little bit of a shape change, so we decided to go for a little bit of a tapered square. So for that, I'm just using my 180 grit file and I'm just really carefully filing the edges and then comparing the sides just to make sure everything looks the same and looks nice and even.
We smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high, bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snide. Oh, we look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold.
So to prepare the nail, I did go in with a product called VitaPrime, but for whatever reason lost the footage for it. So what you will see me applying is Tack, which is another amazing product from my Elegance. And I use this in a bit of a scrubbing motion, and I just scrub it really well into the nail plate and cure it for 30 seconds. And it does an amazing job. at getting longevity out of your products. After that's been cured for 30 seconds, I'm then going in with one of my absolute favourite products from my Elegance. This is called Natural Fibre. It's a really sort of natural colour, so it's amazing for enhancements. It's really strong but still has a bit of flexibility, so if you are someone who likes to pinch your enhancements, then this is a really nice option. So I'm just taking that on my gel polish brush from my Elegance, and I am just applying that to each of the nails. For my colour, I decided to go with Easy Breezy, which is a colour gel from, I believe it was like Elegance's last autumn collection. It's a really nice nude. It's just kind of quite neutral and stunning and goes with so many different skin tones. So I'm applying this to all the fingers bar the ring finger because that's going to be our tortoiseshell nail. Now I'm just going to encapsulate all the nails, including the ring finger, with one step. So I'm just laying down a slip layer, then taking another big blob and just kind of working that down the nail and curing that for a minute.
I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, 'cause I do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. You can clearly see my vibe is tremendous, but you won't see through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets.
Now I'm just going in and shaping up the nails just to make sure that everything is perfect with the shape. So I'm just using my hand file, 180 grit. It files so easily that you don't need more than that. just to perfect the shape. And I'm going to be doing something which is called the sandwich technique. So that was created by Celena Ryden. She is here on YouTube, so I will add a little link somewhere on the screen and down in the description box below where you can learn more about that technique if you so wish.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze, fuel teenage ground, running from home to
Okay, now we're on to the tortoiseshell. So I'm just taking some gel bottle product. So this is the 2-in-1 base coat, putting it down onto the palette and then just adding in a little bit of this Bellwort colour. I think that's how you say it, I'm not too sure. I just wanted to create a sheer yellowy colour. So I'm adding a little bit of chocolate because I wanted it to just be a little bit more brown and just a little bit more of that 2-in-1 to make sure I have enough product on the palette. So I'm just going in with my oval brush from Elegance and applying that to the nail. And you can see this first layer was really quite sheer and I wanted it to be a little bit thicker. So I added just a little bit more chocolate to the mix to create something a bit more opaque.
let's get girly. Let's get girly.
I still wasn't 100% happy with the colour, so I've been just taking some Icelandic Summer, which is this kind of burnt orange colour, and again with some of that 2-in-1 base coat, and I'm just going to be adding some of that on top just to bring in a little bit more warmth to the base colour on the nails.
Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back.
After those have cured for a minute, I am going to be adding just a bit of 2-in-1 straight onto the nail, not curing it, and then taking just some of that chocolate that is not mixed with anything else on my brush, and then I'm just kind of blobbing it on and creating small little pools of colour, and then the 2-in-1 base coat is just going to disperse that colour really nicely to create a bit more of that tortoiseshell look. Now I'm going in with some jet black and again putting that onto the palette. laying down a layer of that 2-in-1 base coat and basically applying it in the exact same spots as the brown, but just slightly off to the side a little bit, and then just playing around with it until I'm 100% happy with the placement. Once those layers have been cured in the lamp, I'm just taking a bit more of that Icelandic and 2-in-1 base coat mix and just laying that on top to kind of blend everything together, curing that again, and then just topping everything off with the Extreme Shine top coat. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys loved it. I really enjoyed creating this. If you enjoyed it too, make sure that you do subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment down below, do all of that jazz, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!